We've established the 4 steps in the recipe to create precipitation. What we want to do now is talk about the atmospheric phenomena that actually result in significant uplift of air masses and therefore precipitation. The first one that we're going to talk about is called orographic uplift. If we have, for example, a water body, say the ocean, and then we've got land, and maybe there's some mountain ranges here. And then finally we've got a prevailing wind direction. So a consistent wind coming from the water body, for example. What will happen is that this wind will push air masses towards the mountain. It'll pick up water vapor over the ocean. But when it hits the mountain is blocking it, and it forces those air masses to uplift. And as they do, they will expand and cool, and therefore result in precipitation. So here's your cloud, precipitation coming out and falling here on what is known as the windward side of the mountain range. As this air mass continues on its journey, goes back over the mountain and then down the backside, it will tend to warm up again and result in a fairly dry air mass on what is known as the leeward side of the mountain range. And because this descending air mass is warming up and because it's so dry, there's very, very little precipitation on the backside of the mountain range. And you get something that's known as a rain shadow effect. This is an extremely important process along the central Pacific coast of North America, including in British Columbia. And it interacts with the other rainfall processes that we're going to discuss next.